but some groups have as many as 500. Canopy. Macaws are beautifully colored birds with long pointed wings and heavy, powerful beaks. Dr. Charles Munn and his wife Mariana spend several months each year studying macaws in the Manu rainforest. Macaws eat bitter, unripe fruits and toxic seeds. Scientists have discovered that macaws snack on clay to help them digest their meals. Brown capuchin monkeys are larger than the squirrel monkeys. Capuchins weigh about 5 pounds. They live in groups of...
Thick forest is the principal vegetation. There can be up to 500 species of trees within a square kilometer. Sunlight is the major limiting factor to plant growth. The forest cover, there is no annual rhythm to the forest. Rather, each species has evolved its own flowering and fruiting seasons. The fauna is highly diverse.
They eat plants and dead leaves and live in tree stumps or under bushes. Plants help rainforest animals by giving them shelter and food. And animals help plants by moving seeds.
For the world, to learn and study, to test and probe. They label trees, identify insects, study the leaves that carpet the forest. They traipse through mud, glide through rivers, asking who lives here and why.